Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Backing. Backing means support. For example, he accepted the backing of the police group. He accepted the backing of the police group. Synonyms: support, help, assistance.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. All they needed was public support and financial backing. Now, repeat after me. All they needed was public support and financial backing. The second exemplar. Spear is now appealing for financial backing from local businesses. Now, repeat after me. Spear is now appealing for financial backing from local businesses. The third exemplar. Her campaigning has gathered much support, including backing from farming families. Now, repeat after me. Her campaigning has gathered much support, including backing from farming families.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.